If you love the Starbucks salted caramel cold foam, you are going to love this recipe. I'm going to teach you how to make a version at home that only requires 4 ingredients. Plus, once you learn how to make this version of a sweet cream cold foam, you can change up your simple syrups and make whatever flavor you want. I've got lots more coffee recipes on my channel, so I hope that you'll stick around and subscribe. Now, let's dive into this recipe. This recipe comes together really quickly and all you need is a blender. So first, start out by adding 2 ounces of heavy cream to your blender along with 1 ounce of 2% milk. Then to sweeten everything up, you'll need 1 ounce of the caramel syrup, and then to give it that salty taste, use 1/4 teaspoon of fine sea salt. Fine table salt will also work in this case. Then blend everything on high for 45 seconds until a thick foam has formed. Make sure to give it the full 45 seconds because it really needs this amount of time in order for the dairy products to mix together and become foamy. Now it's time to serve it up. You'll want your favorite cold brew, about 8 ounces of this, and place that along with some ice in a serving glass. Optionally, you can sweeten the cold brew up with about 1/2 ounce of the caramel syrup. This just reinforces the flavor of caramel, which is delicious in this drink. And now for the good part, we are using that salted caramel cold foam and just spooning it over the top of the cold brew. If you like a lot of cold foam, you're more than welcome to double this recipe, whatever ratio feels right to you. You can optionally drizzle the drink with some caramel syrup. This adds for a really pretty presentation. And then all you've got left to do is enjoy it. The full recipe along with tips and tricks is linked in the description below.